Live from Las Vegas, Nevada, it's Keto Cooking. Hey, welcome back everybody, I'm Tom, the Keto Cook. Today we're going to be making some pork medallions with the Marsala wine reduction, portobello mushrooms, and red onions. I'm going to take some Egglife wraps, cut them into pasta. This is very versatile, very keto friendly. Egg wash on the medallions and also some pork rinds. I'll be cutting them Egglife wraps up into noodles, actually pasta, and we'll be making this dinner. As you can see, I'm cutting up the mushrooms kind of small. Now you see my glove on. It's because I have a boo-boo, and I'm not Michael Jackson, that's for sure. Now, I choose portobello mushrooms over button mushrooms because they have a little bit more antioxidants in them, and I like the taste. It has a great flavor. Here's my Egglife wraps. I'll cut them up into ribbons. Fairly easy to do. And one wrap per person, so it's just me and Marie. And I find that to be plenty. These seem to be a little bit more filling than regular pasta for some reason. I don't know. Last time I had pasta was a year and a couple months ago. So I got a shout out right now to Barbecue Rockstar John. Great guy. Ken, like and subscribe to his channel. Check him out. Now, pork medallion. I'll be slicing these into little rounds, but then I will also be pounding them out to make them a little bit thinner and a little bit bigger than what they are. Now, line these up, plastic bag, the old hammer out. This is how I take my frustrations out. Okay, fairly easy. One large egg, pork rinds, crushed up pork rinds. And now I buy them in the store in the bag. I buy the cheapest ones I can find, no flavored ones, and then I'll run them through my little mini blender just to chop them up a little finer, and that's it. What a great flavor. I guess right now this one's going to be really good because it's pork on pork. I guess almost like a reincarnation reunion. Anyway. Yeah, so now we'll take these and we'll let them sit there. Get them going in the pan. A little bit of light olive oil. And then we'll be putting the onions into the pan. A little bit of oil. A little bit of butter. And now Marsala wine goes into it. And then add the mushrooms. This is so simple. And I mean, the flavor is outrageous. I'll just spin this around. I'll add probably 2 tablespoons of butter to it to thicken it up, nothing else. The flavor, the smell is like, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Now, naturally, if you don't like mushrooms, you don't have to use mushrooms. You can just use the onions, or you can just make the gravy. Egglife wraps, that's the 2 of them. Now, I have them in a little bit of olive oil, not much. A little bit of butter, not much. And now I'll be putting on my SPGO. Salt, pepper, garlic, and onion. That's all you need. That's all the seasonings you need. I'll spin this around. Now we're going to get ready to put this puppy together. Well, there it is. Very keto friendly. Very filling. And I tell you what, flavor is outrageous. You don't really need to go any further. I mean, this is absolutely delicious stuff. Now, there's my ginger ale that I made. I made homemade ginger ale. So, all right, like always, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Tom Garvey, the Keto Cook. Take care, everybody. See you next time.